My newest theory is that your soul dog can really only enter your life under a couple of conditions. Number one, you're not expecting it at all.
You're not looking for a dog. You're not in the market for a dog. It just kind of happens.
Number two, you have recently experienced something so incredibly heartbreaking that you are left feeling like you have nothing. And at your lowest of low points, this dog will enter your life. This dog will find you through a series of circumstances you could not have predicted, and they will give you everything that you thought you were missing and more.
Yeah.
You will take one look at this creature and you will know, this is my dog. Comment dog if you've ever met your soul dog, and follow for more stories like this.